This little beastie over here, this is a 95 Viper. There's not much to say about these cars. One thing which really gutsy move. You can see the design, but it had side curtains. These are just absolute brutes. I mean, you really want to say something. This is what the Shelby Cobra would have been if it was made today. Well, I understand, absolute beasts. Asking $37,500. That is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Oh, let's see. 6,709 were built. That's pretty good. That is cool. What an animal. I'll tell you, I'd rather have this than the Corvette. Because these are just pure brutes. And you see a lot of Corvettes. Viper still turns heads. I see the Nova, but you very rarely see the Pontiac Ventura. This is a 75, so last year. Very interesting. This is Saturday afternoon, so you know she's been sitting a while. Always love the tachometer. That's cool. Yeah, she's been painted. She's got a floor shift. Oh, some good mud over there. Lots of mud over there. Oh gosh, want to see something hilarious? Look at that patch job there. Let's see if I can get it. Yeah, there you go. Oh my gosh. The rest of the car, the quarters look good after that. They got it straight, which is nice. Out of Michigan. Nice lines on the trunk.
New, everything's new.
That's pretty good.
Oh yeah.
And 355, 4-speed. Everything works. Asking 20. Or best offer. Interesting. Something a little bit different. No, I had to capture this one. 91 geometric convertible. This girl's been around a bit. Typical. It's got its rust on the rockers. I love the buckets in there. Those are cool. Must be a pain getting in and out of. Typical on the dash, but the top fits nice. I'm jealous. Very, very jealous. Wonder how many miles on it? Let's see. 87 showing on the clock. Now those hubcaps really add so much more to it. And that spoiler adds another 3 horsepower. It's a PA car, so another one's here. Quarter's been smacked and poorly repaired. They just blended. Rockers need some love. But she's a flea. That is so cool. That is so cool. Oh, come on, girl. Oh, there you go. You're open. Oh, so pretty clean. Wow. Definitely nice. Asking $5,000. Well, let's see what she goes for.